All right, SBI still waiting for their numbers. What's the expectation when it comes to the PAT, the NII growth, as well as provisions and CASA? Let's find out then from Hersh, who joins in with all the details. Hersh?
Well, SBI will come out with its numbers. You're expecting net interest income at around 38,000 crore. That's a sharp sequential uptick, 24% when I'm looking at it year on year. Operating profit too will go up by around 24% year on year. Provisions will see an uptick when I'm looking at it sequentially on a quarter on quarter basis. But we have to keep in mind that in Q2, the provisions came in at the lower end of the stick. So we're looking at 3,000 crore of provisioning, which is a very, very low base. So we are expected to see that go up to 4,500 crore odd. We're looking at profit after tax, therefore, of 13,500 crore, pretty much flat sequentially. So definitely a solid performance overall. We're looking at a 60% growth on a year-on-year basis in terms of PAT. NPAs expected flat, no surprises at least expected there. NIMs are expected around that 3.5% mark. Keep an eye out on deposits, because as deposit rates start getting repriced, that will start impacting NIMs, and commentary around that will also be important. Gross advances are expected to go up 20%, very solid growth there, 4.5%+ on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Deposits too, to match around 3.8% quarter-on-quarter, 13% year-on-year. That's where the deposit number is expected to come at. And of course, the loan growth traction is what will keep SBI in the news, hopefully. Margin guidance going forward will be an important piece of the puzzle, as I did mention, with regard to deposit rates. So keep an eye out on all of these things from SBI.